What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's vlog and welcome to my empty garage. Now, you guys are probably wondering, why is my garage empty and why am I starting off a video with an empty garage? Well, the answer is simple. I moved my cars out of it. And the reason why I did that is because we're actually in the process of getting our house completely painted, and we're getting our garage doors painted as well too. So we took them out so none of the spray went through. We want the cars as far away from the house getting sprayed as possible. That way we can avoid any overspray on the cars. Now, before we jump in today's video with the mods that we're gonna be installing, I wanna show you a little bit of the house. I wanna show you the original color, then I'm gonna take you out front and show you the new color scheme because we think it looks really badass and we're really excited to kind of show it off. So follow me to the backyard where we can check out what the original color was. So this was the original color. It's not very appealing. It's like a peach color. I don't even know what this like patch is. I don't even know, but yeah, we got this kind of like ugly peach color going on here. So that's the original color of the house. We are very excited to see this color go. Now follow me to the front of the house where we can check out the new color scheme. Boom, look at that. Holy moly, what a transformation. The front is completely finished. Wow, that front looks amazing. The part that we're loving the most is just this entryway. Like this whole like archway right here. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a palm tree right here, a palm tree right here, and then like a fountain right here. And then we're gonna get rid of these bushes and put in a palm tree. Get rid of these bushes and put in some of those small palm trees, and then get rid of this and put in another palm tree. It'll look really like nice and framed and, you know, a lot of synchronicity and uniformity. But yeah, we really love this entryway with that door. It's just so good. All right, so now that we got all of that nonsense out of the way, let's talk about the mods that we're doing on the car today. So this first mod is a visual mod, and it has to do with the taillights. I don't like the way the taillights look when you turn on your blinkers, and so I got a kit from Diode Dynamics that changes the way lights flash in the back of the car. So come on, let's get it installed. So before we change how these taillights flash with the turn signal, let's see how they look stock. As you can see, it's pretty basic. We've got this amber light, and it just looks kind of boring. So let's change it up. Here's the kit, and it's very straightforward and simple to install. So this right here is the wiring harness, and these are the extra bulbs right here. And so we're gonna just go ahead and open the trunk and start getting everything installed. The first thing that we do is pretty simple, and really the only thing that we have to do is take off this trim piece right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop out all of the tabs that hold it in place, pull this out, and then we'll start getting the wiring harness installed. This is all that it is. It's plug and play. So you just take this and you plug it into the old wiring harness, and you plug this one into the other side of the wiring harness. That's it. That's all you have to do. So I'm gonna do that right now. Boom, done. Okay, now let's turn the lights on and see how they look. There we go, those look so much better. So now both tail lights flash instead of the amber light in the middle flashing. Now the next mod that we're gonna do is replace this amber light with a white LED, so that way when I do the backup lights, I'm gonna have two bright white backup lights giving me much more light to see. Let's get that installed and check that out next. All we have to do is remove the old lights. So here's the tail light, and here's the original reverse light, and we just pop it in with the new one. It's just this little guy right here, and this is the reverse light. So let's pop those in and check it out. Done. Oh yeah, much better. These are so much brighter, so this is gonna give you a lot more visibility going in reverse, especially at night and especially if your windows are tinted. So that's pretty much the whole install. Let's check out how they both look. I'm gonna turn the lights off and close the garage door so we can see how they look in the dark. That's actually pretty sweet. I really like the way that that looks. That's a good little mod, super easy to do, and it only took me about, what, 5 or 10 minutes to get the whole thing installed. So well done, Diode Dynamics, well done. GTR burnt rubber approved.
So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to install this next mod, but first I'm going to unbox it and show you what it is because it's really freaking hilarious. Let's go check it out. All right, so it's the next day for me, and we are going to open up this box and see what this next mod is that we're gonna be installing on the car. Let's open it up. Let's get this box opened. You guys, this is so ridiculous. I don't even know why I'm putting this on my car. Okay, let me open it up so you can see what it is. That's right, it's a fat air horn. Oh my God, I literally saw this on a Facebook ad and was like, you know what? Screw it, I'm gonna get it and put it on my car. I think it's gonna be absolutely hilarious to be driving down the road and hit the horn and have this thing sound like a train coming from my GTR. All right, let's get this thing installed and hear how loud it is. There we go, installed. Let's hear how this bad boy sounds. Oh my God, that is too good. My neighbors already don't like me, and having this air horn in my car is just gonna piss them off even more. This air horn sounds absolutely ridiculous, and I think I have the first GTR in the whole entire world with an air horn. Now, if you can find another GTR with an air horn, I will gladly say that I am the second GTR with an air horn, but until then, I'm the only person in the world with an air horn on their GTR. Yes! Okay guys, so now that we have this air horn installed, I am going to go out and terrorize the streets. That's not gonna be this video, that's gonna be in a video that's upcoming, so please be sure to stay tuned for that one. I wanna say thank you for joining me on today's video. Thanks for watching Burnt Rubber, and I'll check you guys in the next video. Have a good one.